Pakistan is known for producing some of the world's fastest bowlers in cricket, and there are several reasons behind this. Here are some of them. Number 1, natural talent. Pakistanis have a natural inclination towards cricket, and many youngsters start playing the game from a very young age. This gives them an advantage in terms of developing their skills and abilities, which are essential for becoming a fast bowler. Number 2, physical attributes. Pakistanis are generally tall, and this physical attribute is advantageous for bowlers as it allows them to generate more pace and bounce. Additionally, the country's hot and dry climate also helps in building stronger muscles and bones, which are crucial for fast bowling. Number 3, focus on pace. Pakistani cricket has always valued fast bowling, and there is a lot of emphasis on developing and nurturing young fast bowlers. There are several training programs and academies that focus solely on fast bowling, which helps in identifying and honing talent from an early age. Number 4, inspirational role models. Pakistan has produced some legendary fast bowlers like Wasim Akram, Waqar Yunus, and Shoaib Akhtar, who have inspired and motivated young players to take up fast bowling. These role models have set high standards of performances, which the younger generation aspires to match and surpass. Number 5, hard work and dedication. To become a fast bowler, one needs to put in a lot of hard work and dedication. Pakistani players are known for their resilience and determination, which helps them to overcome physical and mental challenges while pursuing their goals. Overall, Pakistan's focus on pace and its natural resources have helped producing some of the world's fastest and most skillful fast bowlers.